Ever wanted to strengthen the frame on your Polaris RZR Pro XP? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with our new heavy-duty frame stiffener, made of heavy-duty steel plating with a lifetime warranty and a super easy installation. So let's jump right in. The first thing that you're going to want to do is remove your front wheels and tires. We've already done this, so now we're going to remove the lower portion of the front fascia by removing the following 4 T40 screws. Once you've removed your hardware, just grab a hold of it, just pull it right off and we'll set it aside. Then we're going to go ahead and remove all 4 lower A-arm bolts. We've already got our hardware loosened up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab a hold of the rotor, just kind of move our lower A-arms around a little bit as we're pulling the bolt out. And we're going to go ahead and discard the factory hardware. So now we're going to grab our frame stiffener as well as a long and short bolt out of our hardware kit. The rear portion of the frame stiffener is going to be the portion with 2 fixed tabs. The front is going to have 1 fixed and then 2 holes right here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to slide it onto both of the rear lower A-arm tabs. Then we're going to take our longer bolt that is provided in the hardware kit, slide it through the frame stiffener as well as the A-arm. Then we'll take our front bolt, slide it through as well. You may have to pick up on the rotor to adjust your front A-arm. Tim. Then we're going to grab this mounting tab right here. We're going to slide it over the threads of the bolt. We're working on the passenger side, so the 2 holes should look just like this. Then we'll grab 2 M12 nylock nuts, our 2 Allen headed screws, and our 2 smaller nylock nuts. We're going to slide our Allen headed screws in from the bottom. We'll just let them hang yet. We don't want to fully tighten anything just yet. Then we'll start our nuts on each of our bolts for our A-arms. And then we'll repeat all these steps for the opposite side. The next thing you're going to want to do is go through and fully tighten all the hardware. You're going to want to tighten the hardware that secures the A-arm to the frame stiffener first, and then tighten the 2 Allen headed screws second. Then go through, reinstall the lower portion of your front fascia and your wheels and tires, and that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's frame stiffener on this Polaris RZR Pro XP. For more information on this frame stiffener or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.